Question number 326, Sri Mukta C. Nivasal Reddy,
326.
माननीय मंत्री महोदय,
हुआ पटल पे
honorable member.
Super TV.
Sir, I would like to start by commending the efforts of the Honorable Skill Development Minister towards the robust development of skilling infrastructure across the
Super
country.
TV.
My state of Andhra Pradesh is growing immensely, sir, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu and IT Minister Sri Nara Lokesh Garu.
Super TV.
Especially in the area of emerging technologies as artificial intelligence, quantum of computing, drones and renewable energy. To capture this potential, sir, we need to empower our youth.
Super TV.
So, in the light of the same, could the Honorable Minister consider setting up a skill center of excellence dedicated to training our youth in these emerging technologies in Amaravati, our capital city of Andhra Pradesh, sir?
Sir, I do note with appreciation that the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh highlighted skilling as one of the 5 key pillars and focus areas for the state government. Accordingly, sir, Andhra Pradesh is performing creditably in that area. Honorable Member of Parliament has mentioned his constituency, and the question relates to Center of Excellence. I'd like to inform Honorable Member through you, sir, and also the House, that under our PM Setu scheme, which is a 60,000 crore scheme, which has recently been announced, in the component 2 of that scheme, it is envisaged that 5 centers of excellence will be created throughout the country. These are to be housed in national skill training institutions. One of those are actually, sir, also in Hyderabad. Part of that campus is also there in Vizag. And further, the state government has provided us land to construct a new NSTI. So under PM Setu scheme of Center of Excellence, sir, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh both are likely to be covered under Center of Excellence. And accordingly, sir, the scheme calls for a global partnership so that we can benchmark our institutions, ensure that they are best in class. And in Hyderabad, sir, there is an MOU, LOI that has been signed with Germany in that regard, sir. I'd also like to inform Honorable Member that if you look at the existing Centers of Excellence, the guidelines were issued in 2019, and currently the ministry is looking at, there are no financial assistance provided to the centers of excellence that were earmarked under the existing guidelines. We are currently looking at revamping the guidelines, which requires a lot of consultation with industry, with our sector skill councils, so that these centers of excellence, as denoted by the new framework, can really drive best-in-class performance, look at curriculum development, look at onboarding industry in a meaningful manner.